Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I'm not only going to be showing you my best tips and tricks for gel polish, but I'm also going to be showing you how to grow out long, strong nails. These are my natural nails. They are kind of short right now just because I've been doing some short styles since I do have to use my hands a lot at work. I want to help you guys be able to grow out your own natural nails long and healthy. And I also want you to be able to do your nails at home and have them be, you know, basically salon quality. They look pretty dang good if I do say so myself. And I get a lot of compliments, and the biggest compliment I think I can ever get is when people ask me where I got my nails done. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my gel nails and my best tips and tricks on how to get them to look good and last long, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so starting with my last set of nails, these ones are about 16 days grown out today. Here's what the growth is looking like, if you were wondering. Pretty good growth, I think. And here's the undersides of my nails. Still have some of my little tips. I'm going to get into showing you how I do my nails and how I make them last. These ones definitely could go longer, but I have somewhere to go tomorrow, and so I really want to have my new nails. I'm just really ready. After about 2 weeks, I'm usually pretty ready for a new set of nails. So we are going to get started. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my polish, and I'll be back to show you my nail prep. I'm not gonna take off my polish on camera because I'm still working on like the best way for me to do it before I can actually show you guys how I take off my nail polish. So I'm gonna go take off my gels and I'll be back for nail prep. Okay, so I've removed my gel polish. My nails are looking a little rough, but I still have to file them. Part of this video was also to show you guys how I grow like my nails so long. My nails are fairly short right now because the last time I did my nails, I did pretty short almond nails. Now I'm gonna be doing sort of short coffin nails, so not the best way to show you guys how long my nails are. But the first tip that I wanted to tell you guys is that I stopped clipping my nails a long time ago. I have done it like one time recently, and that's because I had long nails and I just decided I wanted to have short nails, like really short square nails. I think that filing down my nails has helped my nails grow out a lot instead of clipping them all the time, because if you clip them all the time, I don't know, I just feel like that weakens your nails. I am not a licensed professional. I need to get a glass file, but right now I just have this one from Beetles. It's looking pretty rough. Okay, and not just filing them, but filing them in one direction. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but only filing in one direction. Do not saw your nails. Sawing nails is so bad. Don't do that. I just file in one direction until I get to the length that I want, which is gonna take a while. So when I go to the sides, I will file it just this way and then just this way. So that's how I'm going to be filing my nails, is just in one direction at a time. Okay, I do apologize if you can hear people mowing and weed whacking. Everybody's out today because it's super nice and I'm inside doing my nails. My next tip is to buff the shine out of your nails. My nails don't have much shine. I take a much finer grit to just like go over my nail very, very lightly to buff out any like imperfections. So buffing out the shine on your nail really gives the gel polish something to adhere to, which is why I do it. Now I'm going to take some acetone. This is just nail polish remover because I don't have any acetone yet. And I'm just going to clean off all my nails and make sure they're nice and clean. Okay, so now that my nails are cleaned, I'm going to apply my keratin. So this stuff has really helped my nails grow out long and strong. I highly recommend it. I don't know, there's just something about it that really, oh no, got a little fuzzy. One thing with the keratin is that it does not work if you're doing fake nails. I did use keratin one time before doing fake nails, and my fake nail came off the next day, and I've never had that happen before. So I believe what's happening, if you use the keratin with a fake nail, that the nail is adhering to the keratin instead of to your actual nail itself. So I believe that's what's happening with that, and you don't want that. You want it to adhere to your nail. I eventually will do a video of me doing like fake nails, because I've used Gel X nails before, but I really like to advertise the fact that these are my own nails that I've grown myself, because that's a lot more impressive, I'll tell you. Like, doing your own fake nails is really impressive too, but being able to actually grow out your nails and keep them grown out is also very impressive. And my last set of nails that I did, the ones you guys saw at the beginning of this video, got probably more compliments than any other set of nails that I've ever done. So with the keratin, you apply 2 layers. Right now I just have 1, but I'm waiting on it to dry. You want to make sure it dries in between layers. You add 2, wait on that one to dry, and then we will do the base coat of the gel. The thing I really like about this is that it does work with gel polish and regular polish. I didn't know if it was going to work with gels when I got it. I just got it and tried it out, and it did, which was really nice. Also, if you guys can tell, I could not get this off because I really don't feel like getting out my e-file to file it off. Okay, so now I have my gloves on. I definitely recommend wearing these gloves when you're using the UV LED light. So my next tip is with the foundation, the base gel. You want to cure your base gel for 60 seconds and then the rest of the layers for 100 seconds. It just kind of makes like a tackier base for the rest of your polish to stick to, which is definitely what you want. I also always put a layer, every single layer you want to put on the underneath. This is, some people call it capping the edge, some people call it locking the edge. That is my next thing, is to always, with every single layer, wrap it around the edge and the back of your nail just a little bit. That ensures that the very edge of your nail will have polish on it. That will reduce chipping right here at the tip of your nail. Now it's time to cure that for 60 seconds. I have a bit of like a mini tip for you. Try to get the same light as whatever gel polish you're using. So like I have Beetles gel polish, so I got myself a Beetles gel polish light. I used to have the Solve light from Amazon. That you can get them all on Amazon. I'll link everything that I use down below. But once I started using the Beetles gel polish light, I feel like that really helped. I saw a video somewhere where they said to try and use the same light as your gel polish, which is really helpful. So make sure to do that. But my next actual tip is to warm up the gel polish before you use it. And that is because it could be very like thick and lumpy if you don't warm it up. So here is a gel polish that I haven't used in a long time, and we're gonna see what it looks like. It's just been sitting on my desk. It's very kind of like gloopy. It's also very cold because this one's actually one of the color changing ones, and that is the cold color, and then this like pink is the light color. Now we're gonna look at this one that's been warming up the whole time I've been doing my nail prep. See how it's much thinner? This is gonna make for really nice thin layers. So what I do is, since this is just my nail polish and I'm just doing it on myself, I just warm up my polish in my lap while I'm doing my nail prep. You also could get a little container of like warm water and set the bottles in it, like maybe not fill it higher than this, and set the bottles in it, and that will also get you sort of the same effect because it'll warm up the polish in the bottle. So you just want to take it in very thin layers. I will go over this again just with another dip. And I've left a space here because I'm going to go back over that just slightly, just like a little like that, a little like push towards the end. And then we are going to lock the edge or cap the edge, whichever you want to call it, just like this. Simply Nailogical calls it wrapping the tip. And then we are going to take a little bit of acetone on a brush to clean up this, and I see I just kind of went into my nail polish a little bit. That's okay. That can be fixed. But just to clean up any messes. And trust me, that is a lifesaver, because once you cure gel, like, it's done. You're gonna have to clip it off or file it off, because once you cure this, it will cure to your skin if you have it all over your skin. You can't get rid of it once you cure it. So make sure to always wipe it off with some acetone so that you don't have that problem. And another little mini tip I have is if you're using black or white, I don't know, this is just me personally, I will use a latex tape, because I feel like those are two of the absolute messiest colors. At least on my skin tone, they look so messy, they get everywhere. So I apply this, and then I peel it off before I cure my first coat, and that has been a game changer for me. So that's just another mini tip, is use liquid latex to, you know, coat all the way around your nail up to, you know, right about here, and just cover it all the way around. It'll really help with the black and white polish. All right, so my first layer is done. I'm now going to cure it. I said 100 seconds earlier. This light actually only has 90 seconds. My old light had 100, so 90 seconds is how long I'm going to cure the colored layers. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my second thin layer, and I'm going to put it on the edge again. I do this with every single layer, including the top layer, the top coat. That's honestly probably the most important one, is to put the top coat all the way around the back where I have all this polish. I have to put it all the way around there, because that will really help it from not chipping right at the edge of your nail, because, you know, obviously you're using the edge of your nail quite a bit. I am going to be making these two nails marbled. I'll do that off camera. If you want to see a tutorial on how I do marbled nails, I'll link it down below. But I'm going to do marbled, and I am also going to add some little, like, rhinestones. I've got these little rhinestones I'm going to add to it. And if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know if you want to see how I do like little rhinestones and stuff. Okay, so I just finished with my top coat, and I made sure to put it on the backs. So if you guys can see, I do not have any like of my nail tips showing. There is polish on each one of my nail tips, and that will help it from not chipping. I did these two kind of marbled, and I'm going to add the gems in a little bit. Another tip that I have for you is if you're doing a matte top coat, which I'm not doing today, but if you are, put a glossy top coat on first to really lock in the polish. I don't know what it is about like matte top coats, if you're putting any other kind of top coat on, or if you're doing anything on top of your nails, put on a top coat first. Like, I'm going to be adding some, you know, gems to these nails, but I will still, you know, I did apply my top coat first, just because that just makes the polish last better, and it gives it a nice top coat. Because like right now, these are basically done. Like, there's nothing smearing, they're not sticky, they're done. But I'm gonna add more things on top. All right, my nails are almost complete. The second to last tip I have for you is to apply a cuticle oil. I just got this one off of Amazon. It's the top rated one, and a bunch of people I follow on TikTok that do their own nails at home use this nail oil. I have not tried it yet. I just received it yesterday. So gonna rub it into my nails. I also recommend applying nail oil throughout like the time that you have your nails done, and or like a nail cream, something like that, because it really does help make your nails last longer and keep them looking really nice. I'm gonna zoom this out. So there is the nail oil applied. Maybe a little bit too much, but that's okay. We'll rub it in some more. It's kind of hard to see the marble that I did, but it's only on these two nails, but it's a little hard to see. And then my final tip for you is to avoid water as much as possible. I mean, obviously you still have to shower, but if you're doing dishes or anything like that, wear gloves. That really helps. I always wear rubber gloves when I'm doing the dishes to avoid soaking my nails in water. Try to avoid water as much as you possibly can. Those are my nails done. What do you guys think? I hope these tips were helpful. If you want to start doing your nails at home, I really recommend it. It's so fun. I have been sitting here for like 2.5 hours doing my nails though, so if that's not your cup of tea, you know, then maybe you don't want to do your nails at home, but I have a lot of fun doing it, and I think it's, I don't know, really relaxing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link all these products down below so you guys can get them. I will be using affiliate links since I am an affiliate with Amazon. I try to post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!